my fans, in this video we are revisiting the farm, our onions farm. Yes, and it is very, very important, you as a farmer, to always revisit your farm. Yes, revisitation of your farm is not because you too like to enter farm. It's just because you need to cross-check and know if they are doing well or not. You don't understand. So in this video we are revisiting our onions farm. Yes, I remember I made a video and I was telling us how, I was showing us step by step how you can comfortably and carefully plant your onions, which I know I've not done it before, but it is more like something I am deciding to try out. Understand? And it's working. Yes, I must tell us the truth, it's working. The last one we planted, just like I said in the other first video, that nothing came out. There was an animal that ate it. So this is the second batch of this onions planting. And this time around I put them inside these sacks. Inside these sacks you're seeing here are where these onions are planted. Yes, it might not be okay for them, but this is more like a trying out stuff. If it does well here, what's the essence now? So I will just make sure that there is hope. You understand? So I'm revisiting them because the last one we planted, we did not check them. So this is exactly 1 week since I planted this. Okay, no, I think it's 4 days. Yes, 4 days. Then there's a particular one I put some 2 days ago. 2 days ago. And this other one, this first one you're seeing here. Let me bring the camera close. You see this particular one here? This one is the one I put some, that is like, today is making it the 5th day. And this one is, today is making it the 3rd day. You understand? You can now see, you can see the difference, film the difference. You see? So, we are trying to see if they will perform well. Essence for this video is to see how they do. Essence for revisiting your crops or your plants in your farm is to see how they do. You cannot just plant something and then allow them. You revisit your farm to see how they do. So here, these 3 sacks you're seeing here are onions planted inside carefully. So we still want to make sure that we try out this thing to make sure we see that they grow. We want to see onions grow in the south. Yes, this is an experiment and it must work. So if you support it, and you want to really see the end of this, please hit it in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a comment, and then give this video a thumbs up, and then share this video, and above all, subscribe to this channel if this is the first time you're seeing our face. You don't understand? So please, it is important for you to revisit your farm, just like I have showed us. This is a revisiting of our onions farm. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yes, don't forget, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.